Are you one of those people who constantly find yourself second-guessing your abilities? Do you often have thoughts such as, why me? What is it about me? Why is it that everyone around me seems to be achieving the same things that I'm trying to achieve, but struggling much less? My name is Dr. Michaela Sarno, and I have spent the last 10 years working with people to overcome these same thoughts and roadblocks in their life and in their business. Now, most people think it must be my skills or my training or lack thereof, and it is not the it is the I. It is ultimately the thoughts that these individuals are having that is inhibiting their success. Your biggest obstacle is getting to the next level in your business and in your life. Today, I'm going to challenge you to stop second-guessing yourself and allow yourself to imagine that all the things you'd hope to accomplish can be achieved. I'm going to teach you how to identify your negative beliefs, challenge their validity, and create new ways of thinking with the ability to take action. Today is the day that you make that sale, that you land that client, that you give that killer presentation and reach that next level, overcome that roadblock that has been an obstruction in your path to success. I want you to succeed because I have been where you're sitting right now. Experience my 5-step program and overcome the roadblocks that have been conquering you for so long. Provide your contact information and let's get started today.